Welcome to part 2 of area. We are going to continue learning about the different ways to find area. So check it out. Right now, I want you to pause this video, go grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and come right back. Welcome back. I hope you're ready to take some notes, write down some questions, and write down some observations, and share them below in the comment box on Google Classroom. Okay, let's get started. So in the first video, I taught you how we can break up a big number into two smaller numbers. I know it's a little hard to see, but right here it says 2 units. This is 8 units. We know that 2 plus 8 is 10. So the entire length of this line is 10. We know that opposite sides have equal length. Good. I want you to remember that. Never forget. So we're also right now going to learn how to write number sentences. There are sentences in writing and reading, and there are also sentences in math. Maybe you've seen a number sentence before. 2 plus 3 equals 5 is a number sentence. As you can see, there's a plus sign and then there's an equal sign. We are going to write a sentence just like that to show how we found the area for this shape. So I already have an equal sign and I'm adding a plus sign. Wink, wink, I added a plus sign. Get it? Because we're adding. Anyways, but my question is, what do you think we're going to add to find the area of this entire shape? Think about it, hold it. Now let's see if you are right. So come on closer so you can see what I'm working on. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so check it out. I know that to find the area of this entire shape, I need to take 10 units times 6. Length times width. That gives us the area. The length times the width. This is the L, and this is the W. Not loser and winner, length and width. So if I multiply 10 times 6, I get, let me use a different color. I get 60. Woohoo! We're kind of taking a shortcut. But now, let's add something plus something to see if the entire area is actually 60. So I know that if this side is 6, this side is also 6 units. So to find the area of this shape, I'm going to take the 6 and the 2 and multiply them together. 6 times 2. Whoa, I wrote the answer. Woo! 6 times 2 is 12. So right here, this is the first part of our equation. 6 times 2, it's 12, but we're not going to write that just yet. Now we need to find the area of the red space. 8 times 6. This is where we need to know our multiplication facts. 8 times 6. All right, so this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is our number sentence that gives us the area. And we can't forget our units, our labels, which is units. Units squared. I'm going to put a happy face for remembering that. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. All right, now let's see if we can understand what this says. 6 times 2 is 12, which is the area of that, plus 8 times 6 is 48, which is the area of that. Now, what is 12 plus 48? It better be 60 or Miss Burko's in trouble. Do it with me on your piece of paper. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4, 5, 6. Woohoo! Yay, I get a red star. Sweet. So check it out. We wrote a number sentence. So this is this part. This is this part. When we add them together, we get that part. If you followed along with that, I am so proud of you. If that did not make sense, rewind it, rewatch it before we move on to the next thing, because the next thing, I'm warning you, it's a doozy, but I believe in you and I have your back and I'm going to walk you through it. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to need some room. I erased some stuff. So check it out. Look at what we have going on here. There's some information missing. See, this is what happens when we're not in school. I miss our classroom. Let's keep going. Let's not get distracted. Okay, so here is the information we already have. The area of this entire thing, this entire rectangle, is 20 units squared. We have the answer. Woo, good job, how fun. And we know that this side is 4 units wide. But spaghettios. I have no clue what this side is. I know that this side is also 4 units because opposite sides are equal length. But, oh my goodness, how do I find out what the length of the top sides are? I mean, I know that if I find out this length, it'll be the same as that. But it's going to take some work. But stick with me. So if we're finding area, we do length times width. So we do L times W. I know what W is. W is 4. And I know that area is 20. So something times 4 is 20. The length times 4 is 20. So if something times 4 is 20, what is that something? What could I do to figure it out? If we're multiplying, the division is the opposite of multiplying. So let me try something. What if I take 20 and divide it by 4? I get 5. So, if my math is correct, which by the way it is, length is 5. So let's check my work. 5 times 4 is in fact 20. So 5 times 4 is 20 units squared. So we just found our missing side, which is 5 units. Hey, you should feel so proud. All right, now I want you to practice some more. And if you have any questions, drop your questions below and we'll work on some more examples. But hey, I don't know if this is making any sense to you if you don't give me anything to work with, so please give me your feedback. I'd love to hear from you.